Hi friends, so today we will try to learn that how to read any value from the Excel. So maybe we can see that how it is the data is there. So whatever the data we can see here in the Excel sheet, so if you see here the value it is coming in A, right? Because of the data is not matching while we are trying to VLOOKUP. So if you see here, name of the Ajay Kumar is any value, right? Similar any value is the Ruhirani, right? So similarly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 where we are able to find the any value. So while we are reading that into the collection, right? So if you read on the simple method to get into the collection, so at the time it will be not get any value, it will give as a some value on the digit. So how we read this value, because sometimes what happen when you are taking into the collection, so at the time it will be show error while we are get into the collection. So error means the value, the exact value it is not captured into the collection. So we'll check today how we can read this NA value. So let's suppose that we very initial stage we go for the kill the Excel. So this is the utility environment and where we can see this Excel. So process name we can pass here Excel, right, as a text. Okay, then after we'll use the Excel view. So we'll select this the Excel view, and then after we'll create first instance. So create instance is there, yeah, create instance, and output we need to store the handle, right? So this is the output, and the similar way we'll copy this one and paste here. So this is the create instance, then after we'll open that workbook, right? Get open instance, right? So here we'll take the handle. Okay, open workbook we need to select here, open workbook. So handle is there, and the file name we need to pass the whole file path, right? So maybe I can close this one, right? Then I need to copy this path. So maybe I can just select this one, copy as path, go here, paste here, right? Then after the file is not password protected, so it will give as a workbook name, right? So this is the two parameter where we'll get that, right? Then after we need to show the Excel. So again copy and paste that action so that we can get the quickly. So Excel is there, yeah. So we need to pass only 100 by default. When we copy that one, it is taking here. So now the consent point is there. When we get here the get as a get worksheet as a collection, so we pass handle workbook name, and worksheet name is set to sit2, and fetch method by default they are, people are thinking these are the blank, and maybe the sometime the first row it is true by default. If you not select anything, then it will be also select as a true, right? So the output will be, let's suppose output collection, output collection, right? So this is the output our, right? So let me connect it to each other and run, and so first the how the value it is reading if the Excel sheet consists as a any value. Then I will show you how to rectify these things and do that. So the first is stage create instance. So it is created, and open workbook, the full name it is there, it will be show here. So if you see, it will be show, and then get into the collection, right? Get into the collection. So if you see here the collection, so that it not given the proper NA value, it give some n, not the NA value, some given that some different value, right? So how we get the NA here? So now here if you see here the fetch data with the method, right? So here we need to write as a text. So if you write a text here, then if you run here, yeah, so now you can see here it is NA value. See, NA, that value is there. So how we can read that NA value? Just only we need to pass here the one text as a text value. So it will be whatever the value is there, it will be read. Sometimes if the your Excel data is the largest, so at the time it will take to read that value. Thank you for watching this video. We'll connect on the next video.